class. Well, we're entering week 4. We're in our final 2 weeks, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done if you are missing any assignments. Before I get into that, let's recap week 3. We discussed study skills. You guys learned about note taking and you submitted some good samples of note taking. Many of you chose C notes, but quite a few also chose bulleted notes. The key to that is whatever helps you learn or remember the material works best, right? It's not a right or wrong answer. It's what works for you to help you remember what you're learning, okay? And then we had time management where you guys submitted schedules, great schedules that you guys submitted. My encouragement to you is that you use them. Now that you've thought about your plan and you've thought about how you can organize your day to include study time, because that's time that you didn't plan for prior to college, right? So now you have this extra task that you need to squeeze into your already busy lives. So the purpose of that exercise was to help you think about where you could effectively study in your busy schedule. And so many of you did do that. Many of you submitted schedules and showed where you have work time, personal time, and then your study time. So good job with that. Now we're moving into week 4, where we're going to talk about critical thinking and problem solving. This is my fun week because you actually get to do some problem solving. There's an activity in here where you have to think about what's the best solution for our character called Aslan. And so I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say about that. And then there's a good discussion on how to solve complex problems. What's your method of problem solving? And how will you apply that to your life, your everyday life, okay? You only have one assignment this week and one discussion, of course. So with that being said, again, if you have any missing assignments, this week would be a good time to get caught up on those things. Remember, every point counts. You need at least 700 points to pass this class. Look at your grades in your grade book and make sure that you have everything submitted. Add up your points and see where you are towards the 700 points. And that, again, that's just to pass the course. To get an A in the course, you need 1,000 points. So I want you guys to check on that. Be mindful of that. If you have any questions or concerns, or you need to talk about one of the missing assignments, give me a call, 214-606-6541. Have a great week, guys. Talk to you soon. Hey, guys, I forgot one more thing. This week, you're also supposed to complete an end-of-term survey. Our end-of-term survey helps us, your feedback helps us make the courses better, helps us improve our instruction. So it's valuable information that we need from you. So please do the end-of-term survey at the beginning of the week in your lesson. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.